In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the dictation feature in Windows 10. So basically, this feature allows you to talk into a microphone or your webcam or any kind of recording device, and it turns speech to text. So to do this, what you're going to want to do is press the Windows and the H keys, and this should come up if you don't already have it turned on, which I don't. And once this comes up, it's going to say to use dictation, go to settings and turn on speech services. You can just click on that text right there, and all you have to do is click on turn on speech services and typing suggestions. Click turn on, and once that's on, all you have to do is go to any kind of Word document or anywhere where you can type text, and you're going to want to hit the Windows key and the H key again, and it's going to say initialize, and it's going to say listening. And as you can see on the screen, it is typing out whatever I'm saying through my microphone. And to turn it off, all you have to do is go ahead and press the Windows and H key again, and it'll stop. So that's how you use the dictation feature on Windows 10. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. If not, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.